Hello there, friends. It's Miss Stephanie from the Chester Public Library, back with another story time. Welcome back. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to get started right away with book number 1. Our first book today is called Petra by Mariana Cappo. Can we tell what Petra is on the front of our book, on the cover? Some good guesses. Let's see. The story is going to tell us what kind of thing Petra is. Nothing can move me. Not the wind. Not time. I don't go anywhere. Everyone comes to me. I am strong. I am fearsome, fearless, mighty. A magnificent mountain. Ooh, I think Petra might be a rock. What's that flying through the air? What's that? Woof. Uh-oh. Where's that dog taking Petra? Is that a pebble? Woof. Me? A pebble? No way! There goes Petra, sailing through the air. I'm an egg, a smooth and shiny egg. I'm not an ordinary egg. I'm an egg of the world in a world of possibility. Will I breathe fire? Will I wear a tuxedo? Whatever I become, I'm bound to be amazing. There's no room for rocks in my nest. Oh no, not again. This is becoming a pattern. Out Petra goes again, flying through the air. Well, they say no egg is an island. But what an amazing island I am. What paradise. What palm trees, what peace, what sunshine, what a cool rock. Oh, there goes Petra again. Petra does not look happy about it. Oh, where's Petra now? Not bad at all. What will I be tomorrow? Who knows? Well, no need to worry. I'm a rock, and this is how I roll. What a fun little adventure we had with Petra. Had to use your imagination on that one. All right, we're gonna do a song. Let's warm up our fingers with Thumbkin. Where is Thumbkin? Where is Thumbkin? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Where is Pointer? Where is Pointer? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Where is Tall Man? Where is Tall Man? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Where is Ringman? Where is Ringman? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Where is Pinky? Where is Pinky? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. All right, put our hands away and get ready for another book. This book is called The Nice Book by David Ezra Stein. What do we have on the cover? Yeah, it looks like mice. 1, 2. One is bigger and one is smaller. The Nice Book. Cuddle, nestle, nuzzle, don't tickle. Well, maybe a little. Love was meant to be passed on. Squeeze. Not too hard. Giggle. Scratch. Pat. But don't stomp flat. When you get in a snit, don't hit. Say how you feel. Take time. Get away. Hear what someone has to say. Sing a song to someone or sing to yourself. Look, but don't stare. If you have more than you need, share. Look after someone little. We're all little. Say hello. Break the ice. And don't forget, be nice. I like that story because it gives us lots of ideas for what to do with our feelings. You know, Miss Stephanie loves books about feelings. All right, 2 books. Now it's time for another song. If you caught my silly story time the other day, you might know this one. And today we're going to do Down on Grandpa's Farm. If you don't know it, you'll catch on pretty easily. It's going to help us practice our animal sounds, and it's going to help us practice paying attention and following directions. So this is Down on Grandpa's Farm. We're on our way, on our way to Grandpa's farm. We're on our way, on our way to Grandpa's farm. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a big brown cow. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a big brown cow. The cow, he makes a sound like this, moo. The cow, he makes a sound like this, moo. We're on our way, on our way to Grandpa's farm. We're on our way, on our way to Grandpa's farm. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a little pink pig. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a little pink pig. The pig, he makes it sound like this, oink, oink. The pig, she makes it sound like this, oink, oink. We're on our way, on our way to Grandpa's farm. We're on our way, on our way to Grandpa's farm. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a little black cat. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a little black cat. The cat, it makes a sound like this, meow. The cat, it makes a sound like this, meow. We're on our way, on our way to Grandpa's farm. We're on our way, on our way to Grandpa's farm. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a big white sheep. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a big white sheep. The sheep, it makes a sound like this, ba, ba. The sheep, it makes a sound like this, ba, ba. We're on our way, on our way to Grandpa's farm. We're on our way, on our way to Grandpa's farm. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a little red hen. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a little red hen. The hen, it makes a sound like this. Cluck, cluck. The hen, it makes a sound like this. Cluck, cluck. We're on our way. We're on our way to Grandpa's farm. We're on our way. We're on our way to Grandpa's farm. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a black and white horse. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a black and white horse. The horse, it makes a sound like this. Nee, nee. The horse, it makes a sound like this. Nee, nee. We're on our way. We're on our way to Grandpa's farm. We're on our way. We're on our way to Grandpa's farm. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a little spotted dog. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a little spotted dog. The dog, it makes a sound like this. Woof, woof. The dog, it makes a sound like this. Woof, woof. We're on our way. We're on our way to Grandpa's farm. We're on our way. We're on our way to Grandpa's farm. All right, that's such a fun one because you can always change up the animals and what they look like. Okay, my friends, our last book today is called Birds. A lot of animals in our books today. Must be springtime. This is called Birds from the Hello World series by Jill McDonald. Birds. Let's count how many birds we see on the cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What kind of birds do you see? There's lots of different types. Do you know what they are? I see an owl in the center. This looks like maybe a pigeon. A hummingbird, I think. What's this one? Does anyone know? Lives in the jungle. It has a very colorful beak. It's called a toucan. Did you know that? It looks like we have a flamingo. I think this one down here might be an ostrich. Let's check out what other kind of birds there are. Birds are all around us, soaring in the sky, singing in the trees, hopping on the ground. Cock-a-doodle-doo! A rooster starts the day with his loud call. A rooster is a male chicken. A female chicken is called a hen. Like in Grandpa's farm, the little red hen. Peck, peck, peck. A woodpecker's beak is strong and pointy. This noisy woodpecker is looking for food inside a tree trunk. Has anyone heard woodpeckers outside lately? I have at my house. Peck, peck, peck. Peck, peck, peck. A duck swims on the pond with her babies. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Quack, quack, quack. A baby duck is called a duckling. Let's count our ducklings. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the mama duck. Pigeons like to live in a loud city. Honk, honk. Pigeons often build nests on window ledges and bridges. I bet you've seen a pigeon. There's lots of them. But flamingos love to flock quietly together near the water. Flamingos often stand on one leg. Let's count the flamingos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bright pink. Can't miss them. What do you see in the treetops of the warm jungle? It's a toucan with a bright rainbow beak. Toucans make their nests in hollowed out trees. What colors do you see on the toucan's beak? Yeah, we have blue, purple, more blue, yellow, red, and orange. Brr, penguins live in the cold. They can't fly, but they love to swim. The penguin can swim faster than any other bird. Did you know that? I don't think I knew that. Ostriches also cannot fly, but they can run, run, run. The ostrich is the world's largest bird. Their long legs are ready to run. The hummingbird may be tiny, but it flies fast, forward and backward. They are called hummingbirds because their fast wings make a humming noise. Have you ever seen a hummingbird? very little, very fast. Peacocks have beautiful colored tail feathers. What colors do you see? A lot of different colors here. I see greens and yellows, a little bit of red, blue, some orange. Only male peacocks have bright tails. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Owls can see in the dark. An owl sleeps all day and stays awake all night. Good night, owl. Say good night, owl. We learned so much about birds in that book. I really liked that one. All right, my friends, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining me. I hope you learned some cool things today and had fun singing along and listening to our stories. Thank you for joining me. I hope you're staying safe and healthy. And if you are getting outside, I hope you're doing it nice and safely, getting some fresh air where you can. And I hope you're practicing your letters, your numbers, your listening skills, and your finger skills, whether you're playing or painting or running around or building things. I hope you're practicing all your skills at home or at school, wherever you are during the day. And I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.